No Boundaries is offering the NOBO 18.1 ultra-compact RV with all the comforts and amenities of a large camper. Introduced at a show price of $22,981 with a length of 14 feet 11 inches and weighing in at 4,500 pounds gross, it's easy to tow with a mid-sized SUV. Outside you'll find an awning, a kitchen, and cargo doors for access to the pass-through storage basement area. Inside, the kitchen has a 2-burner stove, a microwave air fryer, and a double sink and range hood. There's a Furrion 2-door fridge. The dining area converts to a double bed, and there's a wall-mounted entertainment center. This floor plan offers several storage options, air conditioning with forced air heat passed into the underbelly, and there is a central vacuum system. The dry bath offers a shower surround and a medicine cabinet.